Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this amazing design on your Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to create this exact pattern or exact design on the Canva. So I just make a size of 1920 into 1080 pixel. So you can just use this. So I just open a new page here. Just click on the element option here. So if you just needed a ruler, you can just use it ruler, or if you just don't need anything, just turn off this and click on the elements and just click on the shape option here. Just pick the circle and just close it. That's it. So now I just place the circle here. Okay, now I just going to resize it and just going to make a duplicate. Click on the circle and make a duplicate like this and just resize it and make it on the center. Now just click on the color option and just change this color to any gradient color. So I just keep the same color. You can just make the spacing and just make it a center line. You can see the margin to align it. Click on the duplicate and just resize it and place it on the center and like this. Then you just click on the white color. So this will make a illusion like this. You can just resize it. I just showing how I just created. You can just create by your own imagination and also with your own imaginary creative content. So I just duplicate this and just place here with a small gap and align on the same spacing. So just click this or just click everything, just click on this and duplicate it, and you can just place wherever you just need it like this. If you just need just select everything, just click on this and just place like slightly like this. So when some circle missing, you can just place it again like this and just select all thing and click on the duplicate option. Just place under the thing like this, and I just created this. You can see the pattern how it's look like. If you just need a different colors of combination, just click on the design option and click on the styles, and here just go to the color patterns. So click this and you can just click here. It automatically generate a different type of colors, but note that it will not shows the gradient color. It will be make it as a solid color like this. So before doing this, make a copy of it. Otherwise you can just use this and you can just create your own patterns, whatever the patterns is like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.